Hi, I'm Alex. I'm one of the trainers here at Energy, and I'd like to talk to you today about a new piece of equipment we purchased, the Reverse Hyper. This is a great piece of equipment because it allows you to train hip extension in the same movement pattern as deadlifts and pulls, but without the spinal loading. So it's a great alternative for somebody who's suffering from an injury or perhaps does not train deadlifts, or somebody that wants to add additional volume to their deadlift and pull training without the additional spinal loading that comes with that. Let's take a look at how to set it up. When setting up the exercise, you want to load the plates down here. Take a clip, place the clip on the outside of the plate to keep it from moving during your set. These handles are adjustable, so you want to select a distance so that when you get onto this, you're able to keep your arms straight once you're set up. Once you've adjusted the handles and loaded your plates, go ahead and place your feet inside the straps. Grab the handles, arms are nice and straight, your hips are right on the edge of the pad, and you're going to start the movement by initiating with a bit of a swing, focusing on squeezing the glutes and holding yourself up in extension. So in other words, don't pull your chest down to the pad like this. Try to stay nice and extended, keeping the glutes engaged during the entire set. Lastly, how do you want to incorporate this piece of equipment into your workout? This can be used at the beginning of a workout with really light weight to warm up the low back, the glutes and hamstrings before you're going to do a heavier deadlift or squat day. Alternatively, you can work it into the end of your workout for that additional volume training I mentioned earlier in the video. You can do sets of anywhere from 3 to as many as 6 sets, working in rep schemes of 10 up to 25. If you know what your maximum 1 rep back squat number is, you can take percentages off of that and take anywhere from 25 to 50% of that to estimate what your load should be. If you don't know what that number is, that's okay. Just select weights that you can complete with good form. Thank you for watching.